Artoonza.
Stop everything! This might be the cutest burger you'll ever draw. And yes, it sparkles! Today, we're stacking up the silliest layers of lettuce, ketchup, glitter, and nail polish. There's even a teeny tiny vacuum cleaner to clean up the glitter mess. But I think it made a bigger mess. And wait, who let nail polish on the sesame seeds?
Aw, so cute.
Don't tell Mom. Grab your crayons, brushes, and wildest burger dreams. Let's grill this artwork to perfection. Give us your like. Warning, excessive cuteness may cause spontaneous happy dances. I think my burger just winked at me. Is that legal? This vacuum thinks it's on a glitter mission from space. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Oh, look at that ketchup swirl. It's more dramatic than a soap opera tomato. Give us a big thumbs up. This is so amazing. Time to give this lettuce some leafy sass. It's not just green,
Aw, so
it's
cute.
runway green.
Wow!
Say cheese. But make it melty, gooey, and ready to steal the spotlight. This slice is serving golden glamour. Color, color, color. Beef up those burger vibes. This patty's got the juicy attitude of a snacking superhero. Smash that like button now. Fluffy, golden, toasted to perfection. This bun could moonlight as a pillow for French fries. It's that cozy.
Aw, so cute.
Don't be shy, color high. This is better. And now, the moment of glam. Nail polish sesame seeds. They're glossy, they're fabulous. And Mom must never know. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.